It is just a two-step process to fix Discord update failed error in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type Task Manager. Click here to open it. You can see the Discord is running in the background. Then select all and just click on End Task. After that, close this window. Again, go to search bar and type Run. Click here to open it. Then type %appdata% and click on OK. Go back to app data, then open local folder. Then you have to open Discord folder. On this window, right click on update file, then click on rename and rename it as update 1 and hit enter. Close this window, go to search bar and type Discord, click here to open it. That's it guys, your problem will